Hello everyone, this is a request from Crunchy Kitty in YouTube. Well, supposed to be, I was about to build in the right time, but I was busy. So, only get it, this is the build about some kind of medieval blacksmith, which means it's really hard to build, but yeah, it's like a home or whatever. All you get is to clear some space then. Um, I think he's here. We gotta start over here, like, I guess. Uh-huh. So, first of all, if you want to be a medieval character, you have to use dark oak or either spruce planks. Yeah? Spruce or dark oak. And some... Oh yeah, the wood, the log. That is most important. Dark oak. I prefer dark oak because it's the best one in Minecraft for medievals. So, yeah. So all you gotta do is start with these log, and supposed to be you have to put this one over here just in case you can just balance that, and suppose also you have to balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 1, 2, 3, and all we get is put some wood log over here, and yeah, so you can't miss that one. And another one. One, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I guess it's 8, which means it's equivalent to 10 bucks. Okay, yeah. Sorry about that, my dog. The dog. Okay, over here you have to count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8. Maybe it's a little bit 6 blocks away, or of course, yeah, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe there's in front of you. Alright, there it is. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, I gotta break that so I can remember that. Also here, just over here, so we can remember our middle sides. And also, wait, what? 1, 2, 3, which means this is the door. 4, 5, and we gotta put the log over here. Yo, my gameplay is so clean. Wow, doing some record, I guess. We're good. So, oh, the dogs outside, so noisy. Just like last time. Calcite. Of course, Technoblade also uses calcite, so I guess we're gonna use it. Wait, was it calcite? Oh, okay. I think that wasn't calcite or something. No idea. Where was it? Where? If I were a diorite, or I don't know if that was diorite, where would I be? I think I found here. Diorite. Bro, if that block doesn't exist here, then I'm pretty sure. Oh, there it is. But then, you gotta use polished diorite, alright? Just in case to be so unique to build something. Oh yeah. So this is diorite, a polished diorite, and it's a best way to in polish is the best way to use, just in case for building C section, whatever. think I just, yeah. I guess we're good. But, alright, we're good. We're good. Okay, we're good. Sorry about that, I was so blank. One, two, three, four. So we gotta build something over here. Yeah, this is second floor. Oh, wrong one. Come on, man, come on. Alright. Hold on, let me just expand that later, but no, maybe pressure for this. Alright. I want to build something better. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Put the block over here. Supposedly that's taller than anyone, which is, yeah. Yeah, I think I can build this one. Oh no, again. Oh, we gotta put some layers over here. Hold on. Just in case to just in case to imagine if we can hold that one. So it can't be flooded. I realize. Imagine if you added a jiggle physics in this server, in this world, I guess. Boom, boom, boom. Oh wait, hold on. Boom, 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 boom. That's such a waste of time. Oh my. Now we're good. Continue. Stop with that. Alright, that's the worst. 1, 2, 3. That's not good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not gonna say that number. That's so cringe for real. Unless if people is trying to say it, then it's all up to them. I don't mind. Hold on. Why am I being so quiet while playing this game? Oh. Why am I so quiet? Break that one. Break that. Break that. Alright. Boom. I guess that's it. I guess that's good, but we gotta use the flooring is for wait, hold on, let me check. Let me check the moves because I think yeah. Imagine if you plant a tree like this here, if possible. And we're good. And next we gotta use our own mechanism, which means the blocks, I guess. Okay. We gotta use this another. How can I? Chiseled red nether bricks. I think we gotta use nether bricks. Red nether bricks. All you gotta do. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just building it first. Just in case. Ooh. Oops. Sorry. Alright. Alright. Alright, we're good. Alright. Alright, my skin is good. Too bad I did not make the crown so good. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Ah. Ooh. Yeah, don't mention that. Wow. Yep, we're good. We're good over here. I think we gotta balance that. Dark oak over here. Oh wait, dark oak. I mean dark planks. Wooden planks. And also you gotta balance the other one. What kind of suspicious? Alright. Let me check. Then we gotta use terracotta. What are we? Alright, never mind. It's almost like a German. Let's just not put that one. It's just a crazy thing. This is deep slate then. Oops, again. Usually I don't know how to use this control. It's been a long time. I only use the default one, the oldest one, the original one. This is hard. Well, I guess we made our own building then. Next, we're gonna make a wall. We gotta make a wall for this. We gotta make a wall, and we gotta plan on building some decorations and stuff. But we gotta build some wall first. For the wall, it's probably like this. Okay, hold on. Alright, gold. Check bricks. And we're gonna put that one. Noted, I guess, if it's possible. No. Not really good, but we're gonna add dark oak instead. We'll put some walls first. We don't wanna pressure ourselves for decorating before completing them. Yeah. Damn, if can someone hire me to be a builder in the SMP? I guess another SMP, bro, because Ice Warriors is being quiet right now. I just wanted to see them, but they didn't respond. And right now, oh my goodness, I'm just building this for the YouTuber, which means it's Crunchy Kitty. But shout out to Crunchy Kitty though. Subscribe to Crunchy Kitty. That she's a nice person. She builds everything. She builds nice build, I guess. Boom. I swear, we made this so beautiful. I guess we're gonna make another shader. We gotta download another shader for this world, just in case to impress the YouTuber. I mean, yeah, to accomplish my building skills. I had never built my base for a long time, but yeah, we're good. I think we're good. And bringing back the log, I guess. Dark oak log, which means to expand. I guess. Hold on, let me balance that, I guess. Ooh, we're good. Uh-huh. Oh. Alright. My mom's not home, oh my goodness. How can I live? But I guess it's my time to shine as a big brother, but my little brothers are not home also. Whew. I guess this is the first day one of building. Too tired, but still gonna build this for the YouTuber. You gotta make a decorations. That's the start. And we're gonna put another one like this, diorite. There's no diorite. I mean, just stone bricks, just in case for the new building skills. Look at the balance thing. 1.29 gigabyte. I'm still recording for 20 minutes, but I guess let's just stop after we finish our first floor. And after that, after building the first floor, after building everything, like, yeah, we gotta stop recording until the next day. Gotta start another decorations for the first floor, the day 2. Yeah, I guess that's what I wanted. I don't want to make myself feel peer pressure, I guess, because I'm a builder, an old builder since I was just a kid. But I guess we just became old for playing Minecraft. Yeah, boom. But yeah, I guess it's a good one. It's a good one. Alright. This is 21 minutes now. 22 minutes. Oh my. I hope I can edit this sometime, but if I can't edit, then well, no problemos. No problemos, bro. Like, crazy. Ooh, wait a minute. Let me just balance over here, if possible. Yeah, we're good. Uh-huh. Wait a minute, that's not good. This is just a house. This is just a house for now. But if we're gonna build our own blacksmith, it should be double tap. It's a equal over here, I guess, if possible, or I should build it over here. Wait, one. This is probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. I guess the bigger one should be the better place, or let's just break it. Let's make it equal, I guess, because sometimes we might not know. I don't know, and not really good. Eh. No pressure. Polish diorite. I hope there's a diorite brick, I guess. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess we're good. Finally. Whew. That's too tired. I'm tired of myself, like, really. It's nighttime in this country, so a little bit good. Feels good, really. Boom. And boom. Oh, and by the way, did not check. I did not check my YouTube channel anymore. This channel is I did not use it often because I have my other account just in case to it's a company account, I guess. But for now, I guess I gotta put this video to my own main channel, and yeah, I guess we're good. We're even to build this, but we gotta need some better quality. We gotta need some shader. This is just day one. Alright. Alright, I forgot. Red nether bricks. It's a cute slime, I guess. And we're good. I guess we're gonna check another episode. You gotta wait for another episode. I'm gonna stay down and take a rest. Do whatever I do. Like playing Mobile Legends, playing Blood Strike, Clash of Clans, another games like FR Legends. Twitch, doing some Twitch by the way. I do some live stream, reaction live stream, Minecraft live stream on IWSMP, which means the ice wires, and also Hive Gaming. I guess we're not popular enough, but yeah, I guess you guys thank you for supporting. I guess, and this is day one of building a medieval blacksmith blacksmith house. All right, and yeah, I guess we're good. Um, yeah. Good night, everyone. And just wait for another day to another episode of building this one. But if I can do some recordings, I just wanna decorate something over here, just in case if you wanna see. Yeah, I'll be I'll be off now, and peace out.